Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to transfer Ethereum from your Revolut account to a Trezor hardware wallet in 2025. If you're looking to take control of your crypto and move it off exchanges for better security, this is the video for you. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make this process smooth and hassle-free. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a Revolut account with some Ethereum in it, a Trezor wallet set up and connected to your computer, and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. Security is key here, so double-check that your Trezor is properly initialized and you're on a secure network. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in. Navigate to your crypto section, select Ethereum, and choose the option to withdraw or send. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, so keep that handy. Step 2. On your Trezor device, use the Trezor Suite software to generate your Ethereum wallet address. Plug in your Trezor, open the app, go to the Ethereum dashboard, and copy the address displayed on your device for extra security. Never trust what's on your computer screen alone. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste that Trezor wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Typos can send your ETH into the void. Set the amount you want to transfer, review any fees, which might be around 0.0008 ETH in 2025, depending on network congestion, and hit confirm. You'll get a two-factor authentication prompt for added security. Step 4. Once confirmed, sit back and wait. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, so keep an eye on your Trezor wallet for the funds to appear. Remember, in 2025, Ethereum is fully transitioned to proof of stake, so transactions should be faster and greener than ever. A quick word of caution: always transfer a small test amount first to ensure everything works. Fees can fluctuate, and there's always a risk of hacks, so keep your devices secure. If you're new to this, consider using a VPN for privacy. There you have it. That's how you securely transfer Ethereum from Revolut to your Trezor wallet in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.